Find the value of a part given complex relationships. In an exam, Amy, Bob, Carl, and David scored an average of 75% each. Amy scored 60%. The combined scores of Bob and Carl were 40% more than the score of David. What score did David get? To begin, let's figure out the total percentage for all four individuals. If the average of the four was 75%, we can multiply 75 times 4 to figure out that in total, Amy, Bob, Carl, and David scored 300%. The problem then mentions that Amy scored 60%. So if we remove 60% from the 300 total, we know that Bob, Carl, and David account for 240% of the 300. So 240 is going to be equal to Bob plus Carl plus David. And that last line tells us that Bob and Carl are David plus 40. So in order to figure out what David scored, we can subtract 40 from 240, which is 200, and then divide by 2, because we have 2 Davids left. This is going to give us exactly 100%, which is what David scored.